we're here with Mike in his 2006 Mitsubishi Evolution. How's it going, my man?
Great, it's great.
So we're out here at the 2018 shootout in Ohio, and I saw this clean Evo 9 RS, and it's absolutely gorgeous, man. So congrats on that.
Thank you.
So give us a rundown of the build.
It's a Busher long rod 2-liter. It's got a stock head on it. It's got Cosworth cams, valve springs, retainers, a factory ported intake manifold, ported throttle body, toxic fab manifold, an FP0. It's about 40 pounds of boost. It makes 650 to the wheels on a Mustang dyno.
That's a lot of horsepower. So for the viewers that don't know the Mustang dyno, there's a few different types of dynos and how they read horsepower wise. So there's Mustang dynos, there's dyno jets. Mustang dynos tend to read a little lower on the lower end. So on a typical like dyno jet, that'd probably be closer in the, probably close to what, 750, 800 wheels, something like that?
About 750.
Yeah. What's the fastest you've been this weekend, or fastest you've been in the car, period?
It's gone 10-0 at 146. We know there's a bunch left in it. It was on a crappy 60 foot. It should go in the 960, 970 area.
Man, that is moving. And obviously there's a lot of faster Evos here,
yeah.
But when you're talking full street trim, we got the AC blasting, I mean full interior. I mean, this car is just pretty much as stock looking as it gets on the inside.
Yep. No,
that's just that you have any weight cut out of it or anything like that? Or?
No, this is completely stock. Completely, I mean, exactly how it comes from Mitsubishi. The floor mats are still in it, the AC's on. It's pretty good. The clutch is a little bit, iffy, but Rafe, my buddy, RRT did the transmission, and the thing drives incredible. So I appreciate that.
That's awesome. And did you mention what clutch was in it?
It's a Quartermaster 8-leg gear drive, stock axle, stock rear end, stock transfer case.
Wow.
But
that's awesome. Let's make a little hit here. See how she feels. My man, dude, this thing pulls.
Thank you.
This thing pulls. You're shifting it. You're not being easy on that stockish transmission, because it's not a dog box, right?
No, it's not a dog. It's a dog 1-2, and then I had Rafe do carbon synchros through the rest. It's an Evo 8 3rd and 4th. It's nothing fancy. It just works.
Badass, man. So for comparison purposes, we brought out a little GTR here, an Alpha GTR, just to give you guys a little perspective on how fast this thing really is. TRC approved. Yeah, that thing stood no chance.
No.
We gotta talk to him, see how much that thing makes, but you had a solid 10 mile an hour in that car.
No, it's 40 miles an hour, and this car, especially for some reason, it's just it's brutally fast at 40. It's fast at 60, but 40 is just
that's the money gear, huh? Or the money mile an hour, for sure.
It's really hard to get out on this at 40.
Yeah. That's and you were brake boosting it, I saw, right?
Yeah, I did a little bit.
Nothing too crazy, but I mean, I felt it almost picked up my damn feet. Like when it just leaves, it just like kicks you in the chest. This thing's awesome, dude. So much fun. So you just like you can't really beat like a street car like built Evo. You just can't beat it. You know, bang for buck, fun factor.
They get a bad rap for bad drivetrain components and bad this and bad that. But I'll tell you, the switchy thing between the seat and the steering wheel. If you can figure it out, I've owned this car for a long time. If you can figure it out, it doesn't really brake all that much. And you can have a 9-second car and make a lot of power, and it can live very happily like that for a really long time.
Oh yeah, absolutely, man. So what engine management is it running?
It's on AEM Infinity. The shop in Connecticut, the shop CT, did it. They do fantastic work.
So they tune the car?
Yep, they tune the car. They always treated me well. I've known those guys forever, and Jimmy is he's top notch, and I appreciate him.
Those things running strong for sure.
Thank you. Definitely didn't do it alone, that's for sure. There's a lot of help between Rafe and Jimmy and all those guys. They always treat me like family. So
awesome, man. Awesome. Yeah, it always takes a good team to put a good reliable car together.
It ain't a one man.
It's never just one man.
It ain't a one man job. That's for sure. That's for sure. I got a lot of friends that help me with it, at the track, and that helps, and just putting the thing together, it's definitely appreciated.
Absolutely, man. What turbo's in the car?
It is an FP0. It's on 40 pounds of boost. It's a toxic fat manifold. And
runs on E85?
It runs on E85. We got it on Ignite for track days, but pump E85.
So it's on Ignite right now?
It is on Ignite right now.
So it's on the spicy tune.
Yeah, it's got the salty tune in it. That's it.
Sweet, man. So what wheels and tires is it on?
These are Weld RTS wheels with Champion bead locks, and I haven't seen too many of them. The Weld RTS is a lot of guys put on the Evo, but obviously it doesn't really need the bead locks, but man, they look so badass.
Oh yeah.
They look so badass.
That's actually, believe it or not, we were driving through the pits and I'm like, that Evo looks badass. I'm gonna go talk to him. So those wheels got you this feature.
Perfect. Money well spent.
Yeah. Hey, well, thanks for taking me for a ride, man.
No problem, man. No problem. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Guys, it's been an absolute blast here at Mike's Evo. We'll see you guys next time.
Thanks.